Well, hi there, and welcome to another episode of Hey, What's Next? It's a new year, and ALDI presents to us a new Bluetooth speaker with the Bauhn label. Coming in 4 different designs, the speaker is compact with light effects and an FM tuner, although you'll hear about my opinions on that later. But how does it compare to the best Bauhn portable speaker I've reviewed? You know what? Let's find out. The Bauhn Compact Bluetooth Speaker model number BT210. This is what's next. Well, it's been a while, and ALDI's finally came out with something that I wanted to review, and that's another one of these little speakers. This is the Compact Bluetooth Speaker. Comes in 4 varieties. There is the blue and red, kind of a pink and purple, one with a truck or a series of trucks, and then they have one with butterflies. It has that same Connect 2 speakers for true wireless stereo. No, I did not buy 2. I bought just the one. You can see here we have wireless streaming, again, FM radio, but no digital display, colorful light effects, long-lasting battery, which is kind of funny because if you happen to look at the back, and if we'll zoom in right here, it'll run for 1 hour. So it's only a 500 milliamp battery compared to the prior Bauhn speaker. This one has, I believe, 2,000 milliamps, so 4 times larger than this guy. But, and this is, all the ALDI speakers are always going to get compared to this one because this by far sounds the best. It has hefty weight. Maybe they'll bring it out again later this year, so we'll find out. But this one here, it's what we got. It is the BT210R, released February of 2025. 1-year warranty as usual. The interesting thing with this one is that this isn't this plastic housing. Up until now, every speaker that I've reviewed, it had that colorful cardboard packaging. So I'm kind of surprised. Let's go ahead and get this open. Here's the speaker, super lightweight. So we have our USB-A to USB-C connection and our instructions. Okay, here are our box contents. The warranty card, again, we have 1 year. This is the instruction manual. Basic function, again, long press to power on, short press, play and pause. There's the FM mode, which we're not even going to look into that. Again, without a display, it's kind of useless in my opinion. Then you have your plus and minus buttons. So if you're in FM mode, short press, next music or channel, long press, volume up, double press, turn on and off the light. The negative button or the minus button. In Bluetooth mode, you short press, previous music and channel, and long press is the volume down. Okay, kind of makes sense. I'm going to leave these open so I can take a look at them. And then here is our speaker. Again, it has this fabric front. The kind of the port on the top. This looks metal. We also have something very similar at the bottom. So again, there's some additional information about the speakers. So it is a 2-inch speaker. Let's go ahead and look at the back. We have a little carrying strap right here. There's your power button. And one of the things that I noticed is that this is next to impossible to get to the USB port. I actually had to use an iFixit tool to pop this thing off. And there you go. Looks like we have 1 screw here, and I don't know what that actually holds in place. I don't see any other screws. So it doesn't look like there's going to be any disassembly tonight. I don't want to ruin the speaker. So we're going to go ahead and hope that we have some power. We're going to press and hold the power button here.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Alright, so we've heard that voice before. If you don't recall, let me go get that speaker right now. If you might remember this one here, this came out December of 2024. There is that same, true wireless if you connect 2 speakers. Same exact voice as what's in this new one. And again, it's not much in here. Very similar to what this was, but We'll listen to the audio here in just a moment. We are getting some light. It's kind of hard to see. I'm going to go ahead and shut the lights off here. It's not very bright. Turn the lights back on. All right. So anyways, pretty basic. $7.99, $8. Is it any good? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's get this thing paired. Okay, we'll do the quick tutorial on how to connect up your Bluetooth speaker. On the back, press long until
Power on.
Starts
the
up.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Gives you the audio prompt that it's ready to pair. In your settings or control panel or whatever computer or device that you're using, locate your Bluetooth connection or settings, and you're going to want to look for BT210.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, so we are now connected to this Bluetooth speaker. And if I go and we go to an audio test, all right, so you can see there I adjusted the volume both on the phone and on the device itself. $8. I don't know if I would buy two of them. I think you'd be fine with this. Wouldn't expect the sound that you would get from this. I wouldn't say that like the blue one from last year. This one could be a party speaker. This one, not so much. Let's go ahead and we'll do a sample from the Tascam recorder so you get a better idea of what it sounds like. All right, I'm going to try something a little different. We don't have the jazz music tonight. We're going to use this song from the YouTube library called Beatles Unite. I'm going to go ahead and press the record button. So we're now recording, and I'll play about 10-15 seconds of this sound. So this is your headphone warning. Go ahead and put them on and see what you think. That's your test there of the new speaker from ALDI Finds. Let's do a direct comparison with the standard that I will judge all ALDI speakers with. This is the PG1 that I reviewed a while ago. I think, is that what that's called? Yes, PG1. Let's go ahead and play this. I'm going to start recording. I'll send it back to the studio for my final thoughts. Well, I wouldn't call this a bad Bluetooth speaker, but it's definitely not as good as that PG1 speaker I reviewed last year. It has a few things going for it. It's lightweight. The connection via Bluetooth was easy enough, and the buttons, while a bit squishy, they do the job. However, there are a few downsides. It has only 1 hour of playback, which defeats the purpose of being portable. Plus, it states that it's long life on the packaging. The built-in FM radio, while cool, is useless without some sort of screen. I'm sorry, that's my opinion. And the sound quality is a bit lackluster. With that being said, I think it would make a fine second or third speaker for the house, or if you're looking for a gift for your kids or a friend, it'd be fine. Just know if you're going into this purchase, this $8 purchase, expecting good sound, I think you'll be a little disappointed. Well, thanks for watching today's episode. If you liked this content, please take a moment, Give me a thumbs up and share this episode with others. To be notified while I post new content, click the subscribe and bell notification icons. In the meantime, feel free to watch one of my other videos either here or here. And until next time, I'll see you again for another episode of Hey, What's Next?